Okay, so in this problem, we're finding the area of Carl and McKenna's garden, and we're trying to figure out whose is bigger and by how much. So Carl's garden is 20 feet by 35 feet, and McKenna's is 20 feet by 30 feet. So they both share 20 feet by 30 square feet. So we have 600 square feet between the both of them. And for Carl's garden, he's 20 feet by 35 feet. So we need 5 more groups of 20 to make Carl's garden. So we have Carl's garden here, 20 feet by 35 feet. So we'll push him out. And then McKenna's is 25 feet by 30 feet. So she has the 30 feet here and then 20 here. So we need 5 more groups of 30 to complete her garden. So there's McKenna's garden. And then when we compare them, we have Carl's extra added on here and McKenna's right here. And so they share these, so these cancel out, and McKenna's garden is larger by 50 square feet, which is the 5 groups of 10. Okay, so in this problem, we're comparing the size of Carl's garden and McKenna's garden to see whose is larger and by how much, and we're going to solve by using partial products. So Carl's garden is 20 feet by 35 feet, and we know to find area, we multiply length times width. So we're going to do 20 feet times 35 feet, and when we break that up into partial products, it'll be 20 feet times 30 feet plus 5 feet. So we have the 35 total, but we broke it up so it will be easier to multiply. So we will do 20 feet twice, so 20 feet, and we're going to do times 30 feet and then times 5 feet. So if we're timesing a 10 by a 10, we know we're going to get 100 as the place value, and we know 2 times 3 is 6, so we're going to have 600 square feet, and then we know 20 times 5 is 100, so 100 square feet. And to find the area, we will add 600 plus 100, which is 700 square feet for the area of Carl's garden. And for McKenna's garden, we do the same thing, so 25 feet times 30 feet. And we'll do 20 feet plus 5 feet, which gives us the 25 times 30 feet. So we'll do 20 feet times 30 feet and 5 feet times 30 feet. And same thing here, we know 20 times 30 is 600. So there's 600 square feet. And then we know 5 times 30 is 150, because 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 0 is 150 square feet. And 600 plus 150 is 750 square feet. So we have the size of both of their gardens. So Carl's garden is 700 square feet, McKenna's is 750 square feet. So we know that McKenna's garden is bigger, and to find by how much, we will find the difference between these, which is subtraction. So we'll do 750 square feet minus 700 square feet, leaving us with 50 square feet. And that is how much bigger McKenna's garden is than Carl.